Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I got a skin for my Apple Pencil Generation 2, this one, because I didn't want it to get it all scratched up because I just got the Apple Pencil and I didn't want to get scratched up. And yeah, oh, that's magnetic, that's pretty cool. And then I got Slickwraps as my skin, and I got the retro Apple logo one, the one with the rainbow Apple logo. I liked it, and it was a Labor Day sale, and I paid $3 plus shipping, so $5 thing. Yeah, so yeah, let's unbox it. I like this tape, it's nice. Ooh, so satisfying. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, I like the packaging. Okay, packaging is cool. It's kind of not really a box, but it is. This is returning, I think. Yeah. Whoa. We got a Snapchat sticker. That's cool. What's that for? I don't know, that's cool. What's this? Whoa. A wooden business card? SW made in Kansas. We got another Slickwraps sticker. And what is this? Wait, what is this? Silver. What is this? I don't know, some kind of debit card? I don't know. I don't want to show it. I don't know what this is. It could be like a gift certificate. I don't know. And what is this underneath? Oh, this is it. This is the Apple Pencil 2 Retro. Pretty cool, huh? So yeah. No instruction manual? So yeah, it's probably just simple. You just wrap it around like this. So I could probably do it right now. If you don't show, I thought that. I don't need to clean. Okay, you peel this off. This goes. Wait, what? Oh, okay. This should go around like this, around the tip. You gotta make it straight as possible. If you have to just make it as straight as possible if you can. And then after this, you heat it with a blow dryer. I'll put this on first and then I'll blow dry it and then show you the end result. And then this goes on. This so you don't cover this side, I think, yeah. Never put one on an Apple Watch before. I did put one on an iPhone. Yeah, I think that's how it goes. And then you wrap it around. I like it, it looks nice. Maybe it is supposed to wrap on top of this. So yeah, I'll be back when I heat dry this. So yeah.